Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable microinteractions with Lottie. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what microinteractions are and how they enhance user experience. Microinteractions are small animations that provide feedback, guide users, or add personality to your interface. To enable microinteractions with Lottie, first, ensure you have a basic understanding of Lottie and how it works. Lottie is an animation file format that's lightweight and easy to use. Start by downloading the Lottie library from the official Lottie GitHub repository. Next, include the Lottie package in your project. If you're using JavaScript, you can integrate Lottie with NPM or by including a CDN link in your HTML. Now, prepare your Lottie animation files. Visit the Adobe After Effects extension called Body Movement and export your animation as a JSON file. Make sure your animations are optimized for web use to ensure smooth performance. Once you have your JSON file, place it in your project directory. In your HTML file, create a container where the animation will be rendered. Utilize the Lottie.loadAnimation method to load your animation into the container. Specify the container, the path to your JSON file, and any additional configuration options. Common options include setting the animation loop and autoplay. You can also control animation playback through methods like play, stop, and toggle. Now, test the integration in your browser and ensure that the animation displays as expected. Consider adding event listeners to trigger animations based on user actions. For example, you might want to play an animation when a button is clicked. Refer to the Lottie documentation for advanced features such as adding animations triggered by scroll events. To further enhance your design, think about combining multiple Lottie animations for more complex interactions. Lastly, optimize your animations by minimizing the number of keyframes and using efficient shapes. By following these steps, you will successfully enable microinteractions with Lottie in your project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.